In continuing with operations using the rules of exponents, now we're going to see negative exponents. So what do we do here? Well, there are many ways of simplifying this expression. For example, one can say that we can distribute the exponent of 2 right away, and then start combining by using the division rule and multiplication rule or product rule. But if we want to avoid negative exponents right from the beginning, we can do so. What we do is we change any negative exponent to its positive form. So we have to take the reciprocal. For this example, the b to the negative 6 is going to change position. In doing so, the sign of the exponent is going to change. Now that we have everything to be positive, all the exponents are positive, we can combine by using the division rule or the product rule. Then the a's are going to combine to a to the second, the b's combine to b to the 13th. Remember that now the b to the negative 6 is on the denominator, so we're using the product rule. For the c's, we get c to the 4th, because we have c to the 5th on the numerator and c to the 1st on the denominator, so we subtract exponents. Once we have this expression simplified, the next step is going to be distributing the exponent of 2. So in the case of 3/4, we're going to get 9 because this is the result of 3 to the second, and 16 on the denominator, which is 4 to the second. And we use the power rule. We're going to get a to the 4th because we're multiplying 2 times 2, which is the outside exponent and exponent of the a. The same goes for b to the 13th, which is multiplied by 2, b to the 26, and the c to the 4th, which is the exponent of 4 multiplied by 2, we get c to the 8th. In the next example, you have more than one negative exponent. And again, let's try to work with all those negative exponents, try to change it to positive, and start combining. If we do so, the position of those 3 variables are going to change. As you can see in the next step, we took the reciprocal of each one. So now we can combine. Sometimes it is much easier to work with positive exponents. The following is obtained after we use the product rule and the division rule inside. And at the end, we use the power rule to distribute the exponent of 3. And this is the final answer. Now in this example, we have a negative exponent outside. Sure, we can distribute a negative exponent, but let's make everything into positive exponents. So how do we do that? We're going to have to take the reciprocal of that negative exponent outside. But before we attempt that, we have one negative exponent inside. So let's take care of that negative exponent inside. When we do that, the y to the negative 7 is going to appear on the denominator now with a positive exponent. Let's combine the y's. We get y to the 13th. Now let's take the reciprocal of everything, because the exponent outside is negative. So it's the reciprocal of everything. And then the last step is going to be distributing the exponent of 2 to every single variable in the number 6. And the following is the result. Now here there are 3 exercises. Try yourself. Pause the video and compare your answers. Here are the results. Thank you.